Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And here behind me, I have a brand new Mazda CX-5 premium trim, okay? Now I'm going to be showing you guys what you're gaining for features and functions from the preferred up one notch to that premium. And at the end of the video, I want to hear from you guys. Is it worth it or not? So let us know down below in the comments, okay? So let's get going. All right, so here we are right outside the Mazda CX-5 Premium. So let's start from the front. All right, so your daytime running lights up front going to be LED. Now also with your headlights, you're going to have your awesome adaptive front lighting system. So what that means is when your headlights are on, you're driving down the road and you do a little bit of turning, one of the headlights, depending on the direction you're turning, will turn with you to see a little better on the nighttime roads. So that's awesome. Good job, Mazda. Now we're going to step over here off to the side. Look at these alloy rims right here. These are going to be 19 inches. So take a look at those and love them. I'll throw a photo up there now showing you the awesome 17 inches that you go from on the preferred package, so you can see the difference visually. Now we also going to kind of wrap around here. As we're wrapping around, you're going to have heated side mirrors that are gained. Then you're going to have LED combination tail lights. Just makes a bold statement as you apply into the brakes for safety, of course, right? Now we're going to get over here inside the vehicle. Pretty much the whole exterior of the vehicle is going to be looking pretty much the same. So when we get into the vehicle, you're going to have a Bose sound system. We're also going to gain Sirius XM. You get 3 months of that for free. After that, you have to contact them to continue that paid subscription. And then we're going to have paddle shifters. And then the last thing we're going to have is going to be the 7-inch meter display infotainment system right here, versus the other one's going to have a 4.6. All right, so there it is, guys. A quick few things. Is it worth it to go from the preferred trim to gain these other features right here? Let us know down below in the comments. I can't wait to hear about you guys' feedback. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.